Alright, so today we're going to do a little restoration R&R on this here 60, or what's that, 40, 20, 40 seat. Nope, I know what you're saying, it needs a new cushion. That cushion's so worn down that the seat cover is not even tight anymore. So that's on the list. But for today, we're going to be replacing this top arm cover. Super common thing. A lot of vehicles, Tahoes, Yukons, Sierras, Silverados, Suburbans, a lot of them vehicles from the early O's have these 40, 20, 40 front seats, typically in cloth though. That's what I've seen mostly, and unfortunately online you can't buy new cloth arm covers. You have to get them custom done if you want a cloth again. Probably not worth the money. I'm going to put on my new leather cover, so let's check it out. Should be roughly the right color. Alright, cool. Look at this. Comes online, and you get a new rod. Comes with some tools. And in there's the spring. It's really tight in there apparently. Alright, so I got two springs, my direction, the actual unit itself. It's going to look close. Obviously it's not, because it's not the right, but it's going to be close enough, and it'll feel more comfortable for me, because right now this is so worn down that there's no padding. It's all gone. This is still kind of soft, this is still kind of soft, but this is nothing, and this right here is certainly more comfortable. So real easy, push it in, up, and this one reason all this was already off on my truck. I assume somebody broke it, lost it, whatever, and then just kept using this. So this right here, I was just using, it was just being held on by the front clip, but now it's going to be done right. As you can see, someone broke the handles for the rod, or the little holes for the rod, off this one compared to this one. You see the holes go right through here, and that's what's missing on the old one. This video is sponsored by Bras250.com. You want a bike? Hop on there, get one. Alright, so with your new, just lift up on the corners and pry this up. It's just going to pop out. There's no screws or anything. Right where my finger is, there's just a little tab in there. So don't worry about breaking nothing. Just pry it up just a little bit like this. You're going to stick your silver piece like this. There's two little tabs that are going to sit right in here, okay? Slide that right in there. Alright. Now obviously once you snap this back down, this ain't going to come up. So don't worry too much about that. But then these springs take the angled end, slide it through both slits, and then that's going to sit right there. Same thing for the other side, angled in. Right here, the flat spot, is where it's going to sit on the bar. Alright. Slap this down, go set it on your console, and slide the rod through all the pieces. Do this, and remember right here and here will be the bottom half of the console. I've got my seat pulled back, so I got some space since I haven't removed. I've seen some videos online that want you to remove the center console, and no doubt that'd be easier in terms of getting this thing on, but we'll see if that's actually necessary. Alright, so the bottom hole of each spring there's a hole in the bottom half of the lid, the console, so that goes right there. Now all I have to do left is slide the rod through. Get this rod in, you gotta have one of this cover, one of the corners up, so that you can actually slide it through, because obviously once this goes down, now it's covering the hole and you can't do it. So leave one side up. Those two holes here and here, these things slide right down in it. Slide these two. Alright, we've got it. Everything's in place. Let's get the bar in. I'm going to come in through this side first, since I have that side popped open. Might need a punch or something to get all the way through everything easily. Anyway. Well, it's kind of difficult to get through that middle one initially. After that, it's not so bad. You might need a third hand, but once you get that bar going all the way across, snap your corners, your center. Alright, and we should be done. So now this has got a spring to self-open. Alright. Now, if I did this right, it should just close and it'll be like new. Okay, try to shut it.
Your button's the problem.
There we go. That is all there is to it. That took me total maybe 30 minutes. Although you might need someone else's third hand to get that bar through, but if not, definitely 30 minutes to do. Just swap the lids. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.